Take a ride in the 2015 Evoque. The all-new Range Rover Evoque is the lightest and most fuel-efficient Range Rover to date, continuing our commitment to environmental sustainability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lights, perimeter alarm, power brakes, body color door handles. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.